There was a time when humans came to see that they could no longer go on as they had, and they knew they needed help. They realized it wasn't possible to do it on their own. So they called out. They called and they called and they called, and there were those who heard them. There were those who chose to come and show themselves and share how life is from their perspective. But will the humans listen? Wolf came and spoke about balance. Mountain accepted the invitation, and Red Kite asked, "Have you forgotten how to glide?" Lime Tree missed spaces to thrive, and Swift longs for those to soar with, and good plenty food. Where have all the insects gone? Rook came and sound and spring, and Red Squirrel reminded humans, be light, be joyful. Fern and fox, Japanese knotweed and barn swallow, all came, asking, what have you done? Brown Bear remembers the old laws, how bears and humans are cousins, and insists these old laws must be remembered. Fox and horse and oyster all come and sit in circle, and octopus decides to make itself visible, looking us in the eye, helping us see and recognize the ones in the deep that have magic and wonder to share with you humans, if you will let us. And then in that circle there was one more, meant to be in what is now an empty seat. They are gone, extinct, but we must also see them and remember those no longer with us. With all this wisdom, there is now a possibility to bring back balance, and all the ones gathered who came when humans called, they turn and speak directly to us now to make sure we understand what they feel we must remember. Let me have space, do not imprison me. Even thousands of miles away, we are part of each other's world. Where has your dream gone? Remember your capacity to love, your heart. Don't discriminate. Every species has value. If you destroy me, you are committing suicide. Wake up. It is not too late, but time is short. You humans are so similar to me. I am a mirror for you. Dream about us and embrace your imagination.